Good afternoon, my dear friends. Today afternoon, I'm going to introduce you to the Bible, New Testament, Titus. Perhaps this letter Titus was written by Paul after he sent 1 Timothy to Timothy soon. The real thing is Paul's plan return to Ephesus was delayed indefinitely, and Paul planned another assembly. It is Illyricum and Achaia region evangelism conference. This letter's content is the same with 1 Timothy. Titus is more skillful to consecrate the elder or deacon, strengthen the church with the message of Jesus Christ. Even though there are difficult accidents when he appeared the field, that should be nothing practically. Really, Crete is not easy town to everyone, so Paul left Titus to Crete too. Paul said this: as soon as I send Artemas or Tychicus to you, do your best to come to me at Nicopolis, because I have decided to win there. Do everything you can to help Zenas, the layer, and Apollos on their way, and see that they have everything they need. Titus should train Paul's team staff at Paul's request for learn to devote themselves to doing what is good, in order that they may provide for daily necessities and not live unproductive lives. At this time, it seems that Paul wants to provide enough against the less insufficient mission work. So Paul thinks that Titus, Apollos, Zenas, Luke, Artemas, evangelists will get together at Nicopolis and will make a sufficient good scale evangelism conference. Then after a time, the situation was changed. The period of Christianity had suppression by narrow empire had become. It makes us feel sorry. Paul had been captured at Nicopolis and returned to Rome as a prisoner. Perhaps in this time also Paul asked he should stand before the Roman Empire. Amen. May God bless you. Thank you, everyone.